Good morning from the Icon of the Seas. It is, I think, Wednesday. I have to look at the elevator, but it is day 5, I think. Yeah, day 5. We are at St. Thomas. We're not getting off today's port. That was always the plan because we were here last year. We did the sky ride. Really wasn't anything we wanted to do. Plus, all aboard is at 1:30, so we're only in port till 2. So we're gonna use this time. We did sleep in. And we're gonna use this time to go and try and do the slides here, which sucks because I got my nice blowout yesterday, so my blow is gonna be ruined. But because the hair, I can't believe my hair looked like I woke up like this. Great, it's fine. So anyway, but we are headed upstairs to deck 16 and trying to do. We haven't even been up to deck 16, so that's what we're gonna do. It is 10:45 now, and like I said, all aboard is at 1:30. So you can see here, it's all and we'll see what it looks like on a port day. It's pretty empty, which is great. So, and if you look up there, there's barely any lines. So we're gonna try and find a place to put our stuff. And plenty of places to put your stuff around here. Again, Ray just spotted that this bed is available, so this is perfect.
Right?
We don't have to pay $1,000 for it. So we've heard a lot of people been getting hurt on the Storm Chaser, so we're gonna wait to do that one. We may do it later. Ryder, are you excited about the slides?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Except for Storm Chaser.
Except for Storm Chaser.
Because I don't want to go like that.
Okay, so as far as our plan to do slides while we're in port, backfired. So FYI, we went down there and we got there like around 10:45. Only the Storm Chasers were open. Every other slide, the other 4 slides were closed. They told us they were opening them up at noon. Now, what happened is they started opening up 3 of the 4 at 11. We didn't know because they had told us noon. So around 11:15, we realized that Storm Surge, one of the family rafts, was open. The 2 drop ones, which Ryder is not tall enough, were open. They were like no line. There wasn't any line until like 11:45 for those. But Storm Surge quickly, because it was the only raft ride, Thrill Seeker, which is the purple one, is still closed. They said it will probably open around 1. So Storm Surge, we waited about 65 minutes for, and the line is considerably longer now. What they did is they made the line, it doesn't look that long because they split it and it's taking up both the line for Thrill Seeker and Storm Surge, but it just moves really slow. So it took us over an hour to do that slide. The slide is like 30 seconds long. So when we asked Ryder, okay, do you want to do any more slides? He's like, no, I want to go to the pool because it was just ridiculous. So if you're planning on doing the slides while you're in port, maybe rethink that, because I don't know how it was yesterday while they were in St. Kitts, but for today in St. Thomas, and all aboard is 1:30. So them reopening them at 1 is, it's gonna do nothing. Like it's gonna be pretty much a sea day after that. So yeah, so we're now in the pool on deck 15. Obviously we got here late because I wasn't really planning on doing the pool today. So there's no chairs. So I ended up finding some chairs and putting our towels on deck 16, close to the swim up bar, which we're trying to convince Ryder to go to, but he doesn't want to go to. But yeah, so not what we planned on for today. So I would just say, like, one, we have a full shift, a lot of kids, they keep saying how this is like making history, and to not have all the slides open, even though it's a port day, it is what it is. It's kind of, it just feels like a sea day. So we finally made it over to a local craft. Ryder's very much. It's about 1:15, all aboard is in 15 minutes. It just feels like a sea day. It doesn't feel like a port day at all. So Ryder, what do you think of El Loco Fresh? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. So we convinced Ryder to come up to the swim and tonic because Mama wants a drink. So he's gonna get a pina colada, but it's packed. So look at this is the shoes, you can see the smoothie bar. Does have kids here, kind of big. A lot of people. So I'm gonna put the camera down because I'm gonna get in the water, but you actually can't wear water shoes. You know, the decks are always hot, so we tend to wear water shoes a lot, and you can't wear water shoes in the pool. So just FYI. So Ryder's got his pina colada, and he's already almost done with it. Okay, so we're already ready for dinner, but this is gonna be the outro for our day 5 when we were in St. Thomas. What'd you think of today?
Good.
What did you think of the slide? It was good? Was it worth the wait? Yeah.
Probably not.
Probably not. Yeah, so I would just say if you are thinking of doing, skipping a port to go on the slides, you may want to rethink that because they didn't have many of them open for several hours. And even when they did open, they didn't open all of them and the lines were really long. So don't regret it. You know, don't regret not going to St. Thomas, but yeah, I would just, you know, think about it before you do. Other than that, we had a great day and we came back and we all slept. Well, Ray and I slept. Ryder played on his iPad and but otherwise it was a good day. So other than that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.